Tarik sokol arawetab lo kenyitab 2026 chamgei chitab Kalenjin itagat eng logoiwekab emet chebo Asai TV Kenya ako nesomonwo ko Gladys Lembuche. Kitaune logoiwechuto kole kakomwa ogiliotab nekirubeiwotab kandoindetab emoni eng kasar age Rigathi Gachagua kosubkei ak tiletab kapkirwok kole wekto kirwoket eng amune nemokiyochi imanit Gachagua akot kounoton kokamwa ogiliotab Senate kole chopchingei ichek kowal kirwokonoton.
It's a long judgment, and I am sure the first petitioner will want to be advised once we as council understand each of the issues addressed in the judgment. This honorable court has rendered its opinion, so there is nothing to be raised with this honorable court. But once we understand each issue by reading the judgment, the proceedings, and the video recording, we will then be in a position to advise the first petitioner, for example, on whether to pursue his other rights, as this court has indicated.
They allow some of the things. They say His Excellency Gachagua's rights were violated, and instead of doing what is rightfully constitutional right to quash, they avoid. When they say that there was no modification of the procedures in the Senate, they recommend for legislation. That's what I've told them. We never came here for recommendations on legislations. We have elected members of parliament to legislate. So we never came here for to seek orders and to seek a recommendation for legislation. That is why we are saying the constitution has been buried today.
No process. And that is why, though the court found that Senate ought to have accorded Rigathi Gachagua an adjournment, it has not faulted the impeachment. The impeachment is final. It has only awarded damages of 50 million to be paid to Rigathi Gachagua for not having been heard on an adjournment because Senate rejected the adjournment. That is the only positive finding. But I'll tell you this, that since the petitioners will file an appeal, there will be many appeals, Senate and other parties will file a cross appeal because you can only file one appeal. Once an appeal is filed, then you file a cross appeal. So I think the court has gone through the issues decisively. It has dealt with constitutional issues, the thresholds. It has found that the National Assembly went through the process of public participation properly, and there was sufficient public participation. The National Assembly presented a formal motion, went through public participation, presented a proper case before Senate, and Senate voted properly for the decision that eventually led to the impeachment. I think this is a good decision.
Eng county nebo Bomet kosubkei ak tiletab kapkirwok nekotil eng betutab amut kosubkei ak istoetab Rigathi Gachagua nekirubeiwotab president ko nekiib inendet kirwoket kwa kapkirwok kole kikamwa ine kole kikiisto eng boisiet komakisub ngatutik eng noton ko kakokon kerenwa alak eng meng'ikab county nebo Bomet kosubkei ak tiletab kapkirwok. Becky Chepkemoi ak koindab logoiwechuto.
Kotestai kirwoket nekitinygei ak istoetab Rigathi Gachagua nekikiisto en boroindo nebo rubeiwotab president en kenyitab 2024 ak kosubkei ak noton kokimuch kekon tilet en betutab amut ako kosubkei ak noton kokakokon kerenywan alak en meng'ikab county nebo Bomet.
Kosubkei ak impeachment motion nekokakiib kwa High Court nekokiwirta amut kesitab Gachagua ko to me anan en ane komoker koteswech faida ko normal mwananchi. Mami kit ne benefitenech ngamun kiimpichen anan komakiimpichen ko there is no value nekere kele kokinyoru konge yani kongimbichen onda ko makimbichen kora ko mami kelchin kokisiche normal mwananchi so makere komi kit nekeboiboenjin wananchi
koin kaking'olole ng'alekab ruling chu kobo kotini en Gachagua. Amwa ale koyai kit nemie kotini ako koboru kole tononetab kotini kou notet. So ko Gachagua koyoche kobo kobur ine en gaa Gachagua ako enjoy rabinik chon kokikochi. In fact komatochit kokikoi rabinik chon ngamun kikinbichen. So yoche kwo ine Gachagua pole pole abakorib tuga en gaa boyot ak kwamis pole pole en gaa nguno motinye ng'al koenjoy kityok sobenyin en gaa Gachagua.
Ana meng'indetab Bomet County. So amache awekyi kongoi Asa TV en tetutietab raini nekikere akobo tiletab kotini akobo impeachment nekibo Gachagua. So kikere ana kimwoe ko kimeng'ikab Bomet kele yan kayai chito makosa kakwo kotini kemoe rule of law ana kemoe justice. So kekere kele tilet nekotil amut kotini kekompensaten Gachagua kekere ko kararan. Ako kimoe kele ana kimwoe kele ndaon kayai chito makosa o kayai makosa nemakisib oret nekararan amun kokikere komwoe judges kole impeachment nekibo Gachagua ko kimakisib oret nekararan kou ng'alekab public participation ak tilet nekikitilen weekend. So kimoe kesom Gachagua kityo komuita amun tuguk chekikoyai komakewekyinkei reverse. So Gachagua imunye en gaa ak ibir boisiet itech emoni. Rabisiek chon kokonu 50 million imuche iwechwech en biashara si kot komukokse 2027 inyon ground komarwai barasisiek ko yeker bichu bo Kenya kole yomegei iku president nebo emoni en 2027 ko kararan. So Gachagua muiten ak imuitechi ng'wonen kerichek lakini kisobe kora. So Gachagua muiten en gaa.
Tos kereng'ung kone kosubkei ak tiletab kapkirwok nekokitil en betutab amut kosubkei ak kirwoket noton nekirubeiwotab president Rigathi Gachagua kwa kotini ako en betutab amut kokokimuch kikeronji ak rabisiek cheite milionisiek 50 ako en yondo kokakokon kerenywan meng'ikab county nebo Bomet kosubkei ak noton. Aripotenjini Asai TV kainenyun ko Becky Chepkemoi.
Kongoi mising sirindenyo Becky Chepkemoi. Ketokchigei county nebo Uasin Gishu komite eng rirek ak ng'wonindo familia agenge eng kokwetab Iyamumbi waditab Langasa konek ng'atutik nebo Kapseret county nebo Uasin Gishu kosubkei ak kabetetab lakwenywan nebo kenyisiek 10 ne kotyeche inendet lorit nekoloe koiwek chekiboisien eng tekset. Cherotich Korir akoindab logoiwechuton.
Mwaat kole kakityech metit lakwanatak newerit kasarta nekangoweksei kaib koibu rabisiek silingisiek 100 chebo remedials yakangowekta ine kanetindet nebo greditab 4 eng sukulitab primary nebo Mwiruti.
Ilikuwa kitu saa 3 ambapo tulisikia kuna mwanafunzi amegongwa na lori ya kware. Tukajifikisha mahali pale, tukapata mtoto amelala amefunikwa na leso. Tulipopata amefunikwa na leso tukafunua, tukapata ameumia kichwa hapa na kulikuwa na damu pia alikuwa anatoka naye kwa mdomo. Tukaandamana tukauliza mbona imekuwa aje, mtoto alikuwa amefukuzwa akitoka wapi? Alitoka shule akatumwa school fees ya shilingi 100. Tukaandamana mpaka kwenda police station. Wakati wenye tuliona kurusa imeenda upande wa Langas tukarudi tukaenda shule. Tulipofika shule sisi tulikuwa tunataka amani, tujue ni nini imefanya mtoto afukuzwe mpaka kupata accident na kupata mauti yake kama wazazi.
Kosubkei ak baurinikab nyasutyonotok kokamite eng chepchebindo nebo barak lorinotok komwechin ketesietab polis nebo Langas yekangosuldae lelutyonotok.
Lori ndio huyu anaenda kelele kwanza asimame. We tufanyaje? Tujue venye unapeleka mtoto Brigita, hati hapana police station. Mimi nimeona mtoto ndio huyu ataenda hapa, kuna watu na Nigeria ground najua vizuri, hapana dereva asiende akienda peke yake. Hata kama anaenda police station acha niende naye. Tumefuatwa na nani? Tulifuatwa na Kirago na pikipiki si moja ama mbili, zilikuwa pikipiki kadhaa. Make sure tumefika stage.
Nganda maimuch kong'alal sigikchi kokamwachi tinye ketiliandit ak sigik kole makchingei ichek kimanda.
Driver kwanza, kitu ya kwanza driver hukuona mtoto wa 10 years anavuka anapita barabara ili wachana na nini? Wachana na speed karibu kwa mashule za watoto. We driver kabisa, mtu mzima uko na mtoto, unaweza gongaje mtoto na unamuona kwa barabara? halafu unajikimbisha police station ndio uokolewe huko. Sisi tu ni haki tunadai kama familia.
Eng komosta Zefania Kamuren ne ine ko komanda nebo polisi eng Kapseret kotesetai ichek ak chikilisiet kotinygei ak nyasutyonotok.
Barabara ya Langas ajali hiyo ilihusiana na lori kubeba mchanga na mtumiaji wa barabara ambaye alikuwa ni kijana mmoja umri ya miaka 10. Ilifanyika kwamba lori hiyo ilikosa mwelekeo, ikaweza kugonga huyo mtoto ambaye alikuwa anatembea kwa barabara, na wakati huu uchunguzi umeanza. Mwili wa
Kong'etegei eng nganasetab Eldoret eng county nebo Uasin Gishu, logoiwekab emet chebo Asai TV Kenya, kainenyu ko Jerotich Korir.
Ketokchigei county nebo Nanyuki ko kakomongei afisaekab kalyet eng nganasetab Nanyuki akosere meng'ikab komasaton chekotieme kosuldaen bonwekab oret eng neisio ichek tetutiet nebo teksetab ole kitobonjin biik chekibwotyin kotinye miondab Ebola anan quarantine facility ole kamwa police kole moiyoni kisuldaen bonwechotok bo oret.
Peaceful. Peace. We just want to be heard. Peace. Peaceful. Peace.
Kotigemite logoiwechoto kokoituyage sirindet nebo Ministry nebo Public Service Mary Muthoni akoyai tuyet ak cheechen eng Ministry nebo Tililindo koyob counties cheterter eng oret agenge nebo kechigil tetutik chekokoityi chekiborien ak chekikirindoen miondab Ebola. Kaikimit Muthoni kole tomo kenyor chi akot agenge eng emetab Kenya ko chetinye mionoton akot kounotok ko notoka kokoek chechigilotin konyoik mising ko chemite eng kiwatoshek cheterter. Bitu niton eng nekoek anan kokekoitetab biik chetinye mionoton eng DRC 450 ak kobit meoshek anan chotok chekakobet sobonukwak ko eng emet notok nebo Uganda ko biik chotok cheite 15 chetinye mionoton ak chi agenge nekokobet sobet kosubkei ak noton.
When you mention it, but these are just healing centers or observation centers. So we are very, very lucky because we have laboratories that are respectable and that can also deal with issues of viral diseases. So we must always be on high alert and prepare to identify, one, the carriers and those suspected to be infected, accurate and rapid laboratory confirmation of suspected infection and their locations.
Ak eng logoiwek alak ko kang'emak malik cheite chotok silingishek milionishek 6 koboto minutikab kawek che kikakimin eng kebebertab mbaret nebo ekarishek 3 koboto mashinit nekiyomsen kawek eng mbaret nemi Kaptola eng kot neking'ote ng'atutik nebo Kimilili. Kayak niton kosubkei ak ng'usetabkei nebo imbaranotok eng kwenutab meng'ikab komasatan ak chebo imbaranoton.
Kwa sababu hii miaka yote hakuna mtu amewahi kuja na kusema kwamba hili shamba ni lake. Lakini leo ndio amejitokeza, na mkiangalia kule nyuma kahawa zenye tulikuwa tume replace ndogo ndogo ameng'oa zote, amelima, ameanza kufanya kazi. Hata kama sisi kusimama mbele, labda leo hii mtu mmoja angekuwa amekufa hapa.
Kama factory tumepata hasara ya zaidi ya milioni 6 kwa wiki moja yenye amekuja hapa akiharibu vitu. Pia ofisi imefungwa, services imesimama na county naomba itusaidie na national government. Sababu inahudumia wakulima zaidi ya 3,000.
Tuko na haki ya kwa shamba yetu, kahawa wameharibu. Sasa ofisi haifanyi kazi. Sisi wakulima tukikuja ndio pistol ndio hiyo. Tumekuwa tunatengeneza solar dryer hapo ili kahawa yetu ikikauka vizuri. Amekuja usiku na kunzi wamepepa mali ya society wameenda nazo.
Agen county nebo Machakos ko kaituyage choronok ak tilyanutik chebo neranik che kikibeten sobet eng wikit nekosirtoi eng Machakos akonam kandolisiek eng oret agenge nebo kobwat ichek kole kikibeten ichek sobet eng oret netomo kenai ak tesetai keyoe chikilisiet.
Tumekuja hapa kuwasha candles as a sign of celebrating life and the love we had for these 3 young men.
It is not possible for such an event and an attack right in the center of Machakos town. And yet, we have not heard what the police did when this act was going on, when mob justice took it to their hands. We have not heard, and we want to understand step by step kwa nini hii kitendo ilifanyika tukijua tuko na security and our people are protected.
We urge all our people, the border people, please, you are not a court, you are not the police, you are not a judge, and above all, you are not God. You cannot take away life, you have not given any. So with that, they must face justice, and we will not sleep, we will not tire until and unless these people face justice.
That was inhuman, that was ruthless, and that was heartless. I don't have much to say, just to the relevant authorities work with a lot of urgency to ensure these families get their justice, because the lives of these young men mattered to this family.
Aken county nebo Lamu ko kababanwekab oret mengikab county nebo Lamu ole mache ichege keisto serikali netorore curfew nebo rutoitab kemboi eng oret no nebo Lamu kochokchinigei Witu ak Karsen kosikobit koruto ichege eng saishek 24 kou kebeberwek alak eng emoni.
Sisi kama wakazi vijana kutoka kaunti ya Lamu, we want to send a very strong message to our security agencies. Obey the court order. Simple.
Wakati kuna dawa zinafanya kazi masaa 24, Lamu kwa nini gari visipite masaa 24? Ni haki hiyo. Serikali hii imefukuza watu wa Mtendeni kwa sababu ya court order. Mbona hii court order ya Mtendeni mnaitumikia na court order ya wananchi wote wametumikia na Walamu? Tuna ari ya kufanya biashara, lakini ukipata samaki usiku, samaki wale mpaka uwaweke hadi kupambazuke ndio wapeleke Mombasa. Ni mwekezaji gani atakuja kuwekeza Lamu ikiwa barabara imewekwa curfew saa 12 mpaka 12?
Sisi pale imefika, ikiwa hawataweza kufuata hii court order, tutapeleka na tushapeleka tayari kesi kuwa charge police in terms of contempt.
Ako yotok chitab Kalenjin kokakitochi logoiwekab emet kobate komalo otuitosi ak Fanasha Cheptoo sikobit koibok logoiwekab ureriosiek. Nekaibok logoiwekab emet ko Gladys Lembuche nomakun betut notok nemie.